How to share your public profile on Snapchat to Facebook directly. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your public profile on Snapchat to Facebook easily. So first thing, go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner, click on your icon, and now this is my profile. Scroll down and click on my public profile. Now this is my public profile. All what you have to do is simple. Just click here in the top corner on this settings option, and now choose the third option. It's share profile. Click on share profile like this, and I'm sorry, after you click on it, click on share profile URL like this and click on Facebook easily. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.